So, we're just 1 week away from Google's huge August 20th launch, and the Pixel 10 series hype is at an all-time high. This year, Google's sticking to last year's winning playbook, rolling out 4 devices: the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the highly anticipated Pixel 10 Pro Fold. The Fold is still under wraps, but we now have some solid official details on the rest of the lineup, covering energy efficiency scores, durability ratings, and battery life. And a few of these numbers might actually surprise you. Let's kick things off with the standard Pixel 10. Under the hood, it's got a 4,835 mAh battery, rated for a massive 49 hours and 23 minutes on a single charge. In the EU's energy labeling system, it scores a B for efficiency, but when it comes to toughness, it's a beast, pulling an A. In repeated freefall tests, and surviving a staggering 270 drops without a single defect. Not bad for a glass and metal flagship. Moving on to the Pixel 10 Pro, and this one's interesting. It actually beats the base model in energy efficiency with a solid A rating, while still matching that 270 drop A-class durability. The twist? It's running on a slightly smaller 4,707 mAh battery compared to the Pixel 10. But despite the smaller size, it pushes battery life even further, up to 51 hours and 9 minutes. That's some serious optimization magic from Google. Then we have the big guy, the Pixel 10 Pro XL. You'd think the largest phone would dominate in battery life, but not quite. It packs the biggest cell in the lineup at 5,078 mAh, yet clocks in at 48 hours and 39 minutes of runtime. It returns to a B rating for efficiency, but durability stays flawless, with yet another A in drop tests. Now, all 3 non-fold models share some key perks: IP68 dust and water resistance, a promised 7 years of OS and security updates, and a minimum 2-year warranty in the EU. Battery health should remain solid for around 1,000 full charge cycles under default settings, which is slightly lower than some rivals, but still respectable for a flagship. So, what do you think about the Pixel 10 lineup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.